Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna be trolling Roblox players by pretending we're a Los Tralalaitos. So yeah, make sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit. I was saying, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and let's do this. Everybody comment down the answer below.
What are you gonna do in the link? Comment down below. Comment down below, people. It's a joke. We give you a hint. Ground beef.
Tung 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 sahur.
Los tralalaitos.
Los tralalaitos. Los tralalaitos.
What do you call a shark with blue shoes?
I don't know
What do you call a shark with blue shoes? Huh?
It's blowing my cover. It's blowing my cover.
It's still blowing your cover. No, hit the like button, people. Hit the like button.
Oh my god, I'm just getting flamed.
Come on. We do a giveaway of 500,000 likes. We can get some Roblox away. How you like them apples? 500,000 likes and we'll give somebody.
Tralalaitos.
Turn off.
Los tralalaitos. I'm los tralalaitos. I'm los tralalaitos. I'm los tralalaitos. Somebody get me. Somebody get me. I'm a los tralalaitos. I'm a los tralalaitos. I'm a los tralalaitos. I'm a los tralalaitos. I'm a los tralalaitos.
Chef Crabra
I'm a los tralalaitos. Los tralalaitos. Tralala. No. Oh no. Guys. No, they're stealing my Tigerlini watermelini. They're stealing my Tigerlini watermelini. No, these actually stole it. I spent like 100, at least 123 Robux for that.
No way! Hey, do you flying carpet? Where's the flying carpet?
No, I can't. No, I gotta. People might think that I'm a Los Tralalito. I'm a Los Tralalito.
Boneca Ambaladu.
Look, somebody's trying to get me. Somebody's trying to get me.
Where?
Somebody's camping my base and they're trying to get me.
Oh, no.
People actually think I'm a Los Tralalito.
Oh, it's you, dude! You're faking everybody out. They're gonna try to take you to their base. No way, dude, that's so cool. Dude,
I know.
who could think of that? That is like...
Every single Roblox YouTuber, literally every single Roblox YouTuber has trolled people on a public server.
You're trolling people in a public... No, that's so cool.
I know, I'm a Los Tralalaitos, but they don't. But they think I'm producing money, but they don't see that I'm not producing money. I'm the money collector. Yeah, I'm the baby shark with blue shoes.
Baby shark, baby shark,
Maybe, actually more like baby tralalero tralala, baby tralalero tralala,
baby tralalaitos, tralalala, baby tralalaitos, tralalala.
Los tralalaitos dicen tralala. Los tralalaitos dicen tralala.
You're like so smart, so awesome. You're like awesome sauce.
I know, this is awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce.
This plan is awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce.
Somebody try to get me. Oh my god. I'm a Los Tralalaitos.
Los Tralalaitos is walking.
I'm a walking Los Tralalaitos.
Can I pick you up?
No, they
Can I
can't.
pick you up? No, we can pick you up.
People are gonna see how flying Los Tralalaitos.
You're a flying carpet.
I'm a flying Los Tralalaitos.
I can fly.
I'm a flying Los Tralalaitos. I'm a flying Los Tralalaitos.
Flying Los Tralalaitos.
Guys, this is so funny. Some people think I'm real, and some people think they're crazy, and they see a flying Los Tralalaitos.
The real people know.
I'm a flying Los
Hit that like
Tralalaitos.
button. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you want good content. Remember, 500,000 likes. We'll give somebody some Roblox. How you like that? You can buy yourself a flying carpet. 500,000 likes.
Come on,
Come on,
guys.
guys. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. We
Maybe
can
you guys
do
out
it.
there will win 5,000 Robux.
Oh.
Not 5,000. I mean, I didn't mean that. I mean 5,000 people who
Tell me. Whisper
people
in my ear.
the people who drop likes will the people whoever the last person to leave the last like to get 500,000 likes gets a Roblox gift card.
There you go. One Roblox gift card. How much? We don't know yet, but hey, we'll get there. When we get there.
Yeah. Oh wait, to be honest,
Tell me.
um,
Be honest, what happened? Maybe next time.
I'm a flying Los Tralalaitos.
Flying Los Tralalaitos. Dude, is it a piano? Name all the characters. What's your favorite characters?
My favorite character is an anime?
And no, here in this.
Oh, and Steel Brainrot.
Story.
My favorite character in Steel Brainrot is
Steal a brain rot.
in Steel Brainrot is actually, to be honest,
Tell me.
it is the Garama and Madunda.
Gotta buy a Badunda.
He's a secret, and he's like the best secret, I think. Actually, but I also do like the Tresno Struzo Turbo 3000.
Treasure Turbo 3.